Is it the time to buy Ethereum? Well, even he knows that it is the time. Guys, people spend hundreds of years building these things right there. Behind me are pyramids, Egyptian pyramids. They needed hundreds of years and multiple thousands of men to come here to Cairo and to build them to produce these huge things. Okay. And now you want to tell me that you don't have enough patience to hold your Ethereum? You don't have enough patience to hold your cryptocurrencies because you read on Twitter by some random guy a tweet that said that, hey, we are in the bear market, sell everything. You are concerned about the price action of Ethereum or of any other cryptocurrencies, and you are in stress. Now, I want to tell you one thing. You should not be in stress if you're not a trader. If you're an investor, if you're someone who puts some money aside apart from your full-time job or your activity to crypto, you should not be afraid. The reality is, whenever you buy crypto, 4 or 5 times, they are going down. Cryptos are going down. If you bought Ethereum, Solana, whichever coin you buy, most of the time, these coins are going down. Just check the chart out. But whenever they go up, they simply smash all-time highs. And exactly these moments you want to wait for. So if you're an investor, somebody who simply puts money aside, waits a couple of months for better prices, now you should be extremely happy with the current situation that we are in because we are at the cycle bottom. We are bottoming in multiple cycles on different coins, and very soon we're going to start going up. Not only Bitcoin is going to go and most probably smash all-time highs because we're still in the third tier of a bull market, but also altcoins are going to perform extremely well. And one of those altcoins is Ethereum. Now, how do I know that Ethereum will perform well? I want to show you 2 things. First one, the sentiment of people. Let me very quickly go into the last comment of my video. I did a video about Ethereum about a week ago, and one guy said Ethereum is screwed. No marketing, all technology, ERC20. Makes no sense these days. Educate yourself. Now, this is actually one of the proofs. Of course, just one comment, but this serves as a proof that people's sentiment, retail sentiment about Ethereum is extremely bearish. And they're fully right because Ethereum was going down for most of the time. However, I want to show you a proof displaying that Ethereum is going to perform exceptionally well in this bull run. Now, I opened the page called DeFi Llama, and here you can see the TVL of different chains. Now, basically, every single chain is listed according to its TVL. And the very first place you see protocols 1322, active addresses a lot, and DeFi TVL 50 billion. Okay, so Ethereum has 50 billion on chain, and it's the very first chain according to the TVL. If the second one, of course, is Solana, it's Binance Smart Chain, Bitcoin, Tron, and others. So all you have to do in crypto, you don't have to read the news and you don't have to follow other people. All you have to do is check where the money goes and follow the money. That's what I do. If Solana is on number 3, meaning that there's a lot of money, or number 4, meaning that there is a lot of money in Solana. If Ethereum is on place number 1, meaning that there's a lot of money in Ethereum. And that's why I am bullish on Ethereum. That's basically a proof number 1. A proof number 2 is, of course, the cycles. Let's jump quickly into the chart to see where are we in the Ethereum cycle. I open here Ethereum USDT pair, and of course you can see a bunch of buy signals. Every single green line represents an oversold condition where the 1-week cycle indicator crossed 20. I'm going to disable to make the chart much better to use, and I want you to pay attention only to the bottom of the chart where we are actually showing the 3-day and the 2-week cycle indicator. So here's the 2-week cycle indicator, here's the 3-day cycle indicator. We can clearly see that the that the 3-day cycle indicator is currently falling, okay? Meaning that in the immediate short term, we cannot expect a good price performance for Ethereum, okay? We most probably gonna retrace a little bit, or we are going to consolidate in this level. Meaning, no, I don't think that we're going to shoot up like crazy from there, okay? I think that we might even go and retest the area of 1,600 before making an ultimate bottom and going to the upside. Now, everybody's asking, what is my price target for Ethereum? So I believe that Ethereum is going to climb above its all-time high. We will experience an altcoin season. Now look, the 2-week cycle indicator will need at least a couple of months to climb up. So the 2-cycle indicator will do something like this, okay? So I expect a very bullish summer, and I expect a very good performance from Ethereum with the price target of $5,000. Ethereum usually goes above its previous all-time high, and especially in this year, Ethereum is going to outperform Bitcoin. And in my opinion, we're going to reach at least 5,000. I'm in Ethereum position since Ethereum was 2,500. I added again when Ethereum was 1,800. So just a couple of weeks ago from here. And that's it. All I do now, I actually sit and wait. I don't do much. Exactly like these pyramids, they took a lot of time to get produced. It is not one day show. So somebody came up with the idea, hey, let's build amazing pyramids and let's surprise the world and let's surprise the whole country. Okay, and they did it. Okay, but every single day they lived with this idea. Just imagine how these pyramids look like at the very beginning. At the very beginning, it was a bunch of stones like this, okay? And there was nothing, but someone had this idea in their mind to build something bigger, until they built this creature right here. And it took a bunch of years, and they finally did it. And now the whole world comes to Egypt. They pay entrance tickets. Egypt is super famous because of that. And it lasts thousands of years. And the same with the wealth. If you actually find undervalued stocks or undervalued assets, you invest money in them and you simply wait and you believe that they will perform well because you have a proof, underlying proof, which we have for Ethereum, you will eventually reach your financial goals. And no, guys, we don't have to trade. We don't have to sit every single day and look at the charts. I don't look at the Ethereum chart anymore. I'm simply waiting until the 2-week cycle indicator will switch and will start reversing, will start going up. Follow the cycles. Visit Egypt. Egypt is an amazing country. I love it here. Of course, it's very hot, so now it's not the best time to visit it, but it is the best time to start accumulating Ethereum. That's what I'm going to do right now, even if we drop to 1,600. And guys, we're going to meet in December. We're going to meet in November. I'm going to continue creating these videos, and I want you to see what I'm going to achieve to Ethereum. And I will tell you when I'm going to sell Ethereum. And I'm sure that Ethereum will do at least 2x and will double my money, double my position. So guys, you don't have to trade futures. You can simply invest in spot, have a good position, and sit comfortably and do other things in your life, like visit amazing countries. See you in the next one.